Imagine a world where every item is handcrafted, each piece unique and individual. This was the reality before the inception of the factory system in the late 18th century. The world was a place where artisans and craftsmen held the keys to production, laboring over their creations with intimate care. But as the winds of change began to blow, a new system was on the horizon, ready to transform the landscape of production forever. The Industrial Revolution, a period of rapid industrial growth that swept across Europe and North America, brought with it the birth of the factory system. This system marked a significant shift from domestic production, where goods were made in homes or small workshops, to large-scale manufacturing in factories. Key inventors and innovations played a crucial role in this transition. Take, for instance, the power loom, an automated loom powered by a line shaft, invented by Edmund Cartwright in the late 18th century. This marvelous machine revolutionized the textile industry by significantly speeding up the process of weaving cloth. And of course, we can't forget the steam engine, a groundbreaking innovation that provided an unprecedented source of power. The steam engine, perfected by James Watt in the mid-18th century, was a game changer. It powered the factories, the machinery, and even the transportation that carried the goods from the factories to the marketplaces. These innovations, among others, made it possible to produce goods on a scale never seen before. Factories sprung up across the landscape, bustling with activity as they churned out products at an astonishing rate. The age of individual craftsmanship slowly faded into the background, replaced by the efficiency and productivity of the factory system. Thus began the age of the factory system, an era that would forever change the landscape of production. This radical shift not only revolutionized the way goods were made, but it also had far-reaching effects on society, the economy, and the world at large. And as we'll see, the factory system was just getting started. The effects of the factory system were far-reaching, altering not just industries but societies and economies as well. As factories became the epicenter of production, they drew workers from rural areas to the cities, sparking a shift towards urbanization. This was a dramatic change from the past, where work was typically home-based or carried out in small workshops. The factory system also brought about significant changes in labor practices. Workers now had set hours and wages, a far cry from the flexible and often unpredictable nature of craft work. However, this came with its own set of challenges. Factory owners, in their quest to maximize profits, often imposed long working hours under harsh conditions. The growing demand for labor also led to the controversial use of child labor, with children as young as 6 working in factories under strenuous conditions. On the economic front, the factory system was a game changer. The ability to produce goods on a large scale led to a significant drop in prices, making products more affordable for the masses. This, in turn, stimulated demand and drove economic growth. The ripple effect was felt throughout society, as increased consumption led to job creation and improved living standards for many. However, it's worth noting that this economic boom was not without its downsides. The gap between the rich and the poor widened, as factory owners amassed wealth at the expense of their workers. Issues of inequality and social justice came to the fore, leading to labor movements and demands for better working conditions. The factory system, though transformative, was not without its growing pains. As we delve deeper into this topic, it's essential to remember that progress often comes with a price. The challenges and controversies surrounding the factory system serve as a reminder of the need for balance in our pursuit of efficiency and productivity. As with all things, the factory system evolved over time, adapting to new technologies and changing societal needs. The introduction of assembly lines in the early 20th century marked a significant leap in this evolution. Previously, a single worker would be responsible for crafting an entire product. With the assembly line, each worker specialized in one part of the process, passing the product along the line until it was complete. This division of labor dramatically increased efficiency, enabling factories to produce goods at an unprecedented rate. And then came electricity. This invisible powerhouse revolutionized factories once again. No longer reliant on steam power, factories could operate around the clock, and machines could be placed anywhere, not just next to a power source. Electric power ushered in a new era of flexibility and productivity. But the evolution didn't stop there. The late 20th and early 21st centuries saw the rise of automation. Robots took over tasks previously performed by humans, from welding car parts to packing boxes. These mechanical workers never tire, never make mistakes, and work at speeds humans can only dream of. Automation significantly increased productivity while reducing the risk of human error and workplace injuries. And let's not forget about the digital revolution. From computer-aided design to just-in-time inventory systems, digital technologies have made factories smarter, more efficient, and more responsive to market demands. Each of these evolutions, the assembly line, electric power, automation, and digital technologies, has transformed the factory system in its own way, making it more efficient, more productive, and more adaptable to the ever-changing demands of society and the economy. From steam engines to robots, the factory system has continually embraced innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in production. Today, the factory system is a well-oiled machine, a testament to centuries of progress and innovation. In the modern era, it has evolved beyond the smokestacks and assembly lines of the past, morphing into a dynamic, technology-driven powerhouse. Modern factories are marvels of sophistication, equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and cutting-edge technology. The advent of automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence has propelled the factory system into a new age of production. Imagine an assembly line where robots perform tasks with precision and speed unmatched by human hands. Or envision a factory floor where machines communicate with each other, optimizing production in real time to meet demand. This is not science fiction, but the reality of today's factory system. These advancements have led to unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. Gone are the days of labor-intensive manual processes. Today, a single factory can produce goods at a scale and speed that would have been unimaginable in the early days of the factory system. But it's not just about producing more, faster, it's also about producing better. Modern technology enables factories to maintain rigorous quality control standards, ensuring that every product that rolls off the assembly line meets the highest specifications. Moreover, the factory system of today is increasingly sustainable. Innovations in renewable energy and waste reduction are helping factories lessen their environmental footprint, making production more eco-friendly. And yet, despite all these advancements, the core principle of the factory system remains the same: transforming raw materials into finished goods through a series of coordinated processes. It's a testament to the enduring power of this system that even as technology advances, this fundamental concept remains at its heart. In the world of production, the factory system remains king, a beacon of human ingenuity and progress. From its humble beginnings in the 19th century to its high-tech reality today, it continues to shape our world in countless ways, revolutionizing how we produce, consume, and live. As we look toward the future, the possibilities for the factory system are boundless. With rapid advancements in technology, we're on the brink of a new revolution in manufacturing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are set to become integral components of the factory floor, improving efficiency and precision to unprecedented levels. Imagine a factory where machines learn from their mistakes and optimize their performance in real time. Picture a production line where each component communicates with the others, adjusting its operations based on the overall system's needs. This is the future of the factory system, a harmonious blend of human ingenuity and machine intelligence. But it's not just about making things faster or cheaper. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning can lead to the creation of new products and services, opening up uncharted territories in various sectors. From personalized goods to more sustainable manufacturing processes, the potential impacts of these advancements are both wide-ranging and profound. Of course, this brave new world of manufacturing isn't without its challenges. As machines become more intelligent and autonomous, questions arise about the role of human labor in the factory of the future. Will there be a place for us in this automated landscape, or are we paving the way for our own obsolescence? Despite these concerns, the march of progress continues unabated. The factory system, born out of the need to produce goods on a larger scale, has proven to be a resilient and adaptable model. As we stand on the precipice of the next industrial revolution, it's clear that the factory system will continue to evolve and adapt, driven by our insatiable thirst for innovation. The factory system, a transformative force in production, continues to evolve, promising exciting advancements for the future. As we navigate this new frontier, one thing remains certain: the factory system will continue to shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.